Is this the best minimalist budget monthly planner? Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the MUJI monthly planner, which is very minimalist and very budget friendly. This is A6 planner, and you can see that they have provided some information right here. So the name of this planner is Monthly Planner 2025, and it has from December 2024 to I think I saw 2026, but we're going to take a look at it very shortly. And you can see that this is A6 size, which we have right here. The best feature of this planner, I would say, is the price. You can see that this is only 590 Canadian and 490 US. So I doubt you're going to find a planner at this price, which is high quality. Now, they have mentioned some of the specs right here, or like, how the paper and the covers made. So you can see that inner page is high quality paper, and then we have here cover, some sort of plastic resin, and then paper of interior is also high quality paper. So they give some information, and this is made in Japan. Now the first thing you're going to notice is that this has 24, 25 and 26 yearly calendar on the first page, and then we have here a flat 2025 the whole year from January to December. So here starting January to December, and these are like each day of the month. Now here I think you can just like put a cross mark if you have something important to do on that date, because this is too small to do some notes or anything. So I think you can just, this is kind of like just to highlight things that whether you have something coming up, and you can just have a look at a glance right here. And then if you move over, then it starts from December 2024, and then it starts from January 2025. Now, each month has its own layout, and it has small boxes for each day. And you can see that there are not a lot of space inside the boxes. So this is very small space, but that's the purpose, to keep it minimal. You don't need a lot of things to write here or too much, just to keep it simple. And it goes throughout the year. And then let's take a look how far does it go. So we have here, I see December, and okay, so they added January for 2026. So that's 1 year, which is a good idea. Now after that, basically that's all you have for your planner. And then you have all these blank pages, and here you can just jot down some notes or some of the important things which wouldn't fit here. You can just write these here, and that's it for this planner. So I'm surprised to see how simple this planner is, but yet it's very effective and very minimal. So if you're looking for a budget friendly minimal planner, definitely this is the way to go. And I doubt you're going to find anything better or price range with this kind of higher quality than this. Now, what I noticed about MUJI is that they don't have anything smaller version than this 2025 A6. I was looking for even smaller, but I don't think they have anything. But they come in different variations and colors, and this is the one I picked. And they have some other kind of planners too, which one of them I reviewed on this channel. So this was the MUJI monthly planner 2025. In my opinion, this is the best budget friendly and minimalist planner you can have. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.